Well, it's Jeannie's World again. It's March the 23rd. It's raining. It just started raining. And already there's the puddle. I'm watching the crack. I got my thing here. I'm not going to stay up and wait for the rain to stop because I got to go to the flea market in the morning. I don't know if we can see the water pouring out of these three, but we know that's where it's coming from. And it's going into my yard, my puddle, and killing my grass. I think pretty much my rain investigation is over. Now, gotta fight with him on who's going to be responsible for this mess. Listen, everybody, y'all have a good night and sleep well.